Hey, it's Roman Deer Park Farmstead. I got this old tractor. It's a Ford 661 and it's rusty on, some of the parts. So I took a little rattle can and I thought I'd just shoot a video of it and show you what I've done so far, but what needs to be done. This thing was kind of beat up when I bought it, but I got a good deal on it and it's a great tractor. I really dig it. So yeah, this is a Ford 661. It's a 61. And see all this rust here? That's the way this arm looked. And so I'm gonna paint all this red here. And then this arm here, and I already went ahead and painted that that arm that the attachment goes onto black. Put a little white on that. So yeah, I already did some work here. This side, see the same thing. It's all rusty and it needs some kind of protection, but it also just deserves something a little cooler. So you can see this side's pretty clean here, but the other side is where all the controls are at. So a lot of the hydraulic fluid tends to drip down all over this. So I'm having to clean it up really good in here with the rag and get all this grease off before I paint it. It was just caked on pretty bad. But even that front wheel both the front wheels were pretty rusty, and they had a gray primer like this. And so it just didn't match. So I need to have it more all red and white and it'll look cool. I just really dig these older tractors. They just have cool look to them. A little badge on the front. Needs some body work, but it's cool. I really dig these old tractors. I wanted an end, but the thing is about those is you cannot run the implements separately. You have to drive the vehicle as the PTO gear is on, as this gear is on. You have to drive it, so it can't be stationary to run any implements off of it. So that doesn't make sense. I had the chipper on here recently and it just stayed in one place. You don't have to drive a chipper around to chip. That's silly, right? Yeah, one of my favorite channels by far is Andrew Camarata. He is just awesome and he just fixes up things, tractors. He's got a bunch. Now he's just an insane YouTuber making a grip of money. I saw him when he was just starting out and I've been an avid follower, but yeah, his channel is just awesome. So I'll put a link for his channel. All right, let's get to painting and cleaning up first. heck yeah. Doesn't even look like the same tractor anymore. I'm stoked. So I'm gonna fire it up, and I have to get underneath here. Just touch up in there. I'm gonna get another can. I don't have enough, but I got a good coat on there for the most part. Okay, gotta turn the petcock on. All right. This is weird, this ignition. Wait, it's off. It's underneath there. Do a little repair here. I welded that there because the other one broke off, and so I had to somehow fix it just to make it work, but that's not the way it's supposed to be put on there. Regardless, I had to do it, and I couldn't find any parts. So you can't find parts for these older tractors. Gotta add some hydraulic fluid. Alright, I got the second side here. I just kind of lightly did the shroud. Really didn't need too much, but I wanted it to match. There's the finished product for the most part. I went ahead and did like the side right here. I didn't have that much black paint to do the whole bucket, but I just did the sides to make it kind of clean on the side. Did that side. And this side right here of the bucket. I think I have some more black paint. I am stoked. This looks way, way better. These old tractors are just so cool. And look, the thing just fired right up. Super stoked. All right, there's a quick video of me painting my tractor. All right, I can't wait to start doing some work. I gotta get this chipper off to our friend's house. It's gotta go.